Welcome to 100 Barrow Street in the heart of the West Village. 11A is a fantastic 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with floor-to-ceiling windows. I can't wait to show it to you. Well, we can't wait to show it to you. Come on, let's go.
On a prestigious cobblestone block overlooking the tranquil Barrow Street Gardens, this idyllic spot is within Manhattan's oldest landmark district. The oversized great room has 14 floor-to-ceiling windows that let the sun shine in from the west, the south, and the east. Detailed in a richly textured palette of gray oak, the open kitchen creates a warm, cozy setting for relaxed entertaining. Gray oak polyform cabinets and custom hardware and fixtures crafted by Watermark Designs, harmonized with Carrara marble countertops and backsplash with appliances by Gaggenau. An oasis of cool gray and black, the master bath offers ample opportunity to luxuriate, from a relaxing soak in the marble-enclosed tub to a soothing steam in the shower room. Amenities include a dedicated cellar rack for your personal collection, a 24-hour concierge, a playroom, fitness studio, steam room and sauna, bike storage, and a pet spa.
Thank you for joining us today at apartment 11A, 100 Barrow Street, here in the West Village. Hope you enjoyed your tour. If you'd like to have a private one with the Friedman-Rosenthal team, please email us at frteam@bhsusa.com. Have a great day.